Hello, my friends. Today we talk about motivation for learning English. I will speak slowly. I will use easy words. I will repeat key ideas. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Take a deep breath. Relax. Let's begin. Learning English is not easy, and that's okay. It's normal to feel slow. You are not alone. Small steps are real steps. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Learning a language is like a long walk. Sometimes you go fast. Sometimes you go slow. And that's okay. Tip 1. Do a little every day. Even 1 minute. Say, I can do a little today. Tip 2. Remember your reason, your why. Say, my reason gives me energy. Tip 3. Make it easy to start. Use a 5-minute timer. Say, starting is the goal. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself. You are learning. Say, I am learning. I am trying. Tip 5. Celebrate small wins. Say, small wins matter. In this part, my sentences are a little longer. Still slow, still simple. Write one sentence in a notebook every day. Record your voice this week and next week. Notice little things you understand. When you look back after 1 month, you will see how far you have come. Learning can feel like play. You can listen to music. You can watch short videos. You can talk to yourself in a mirror. Mistakes are part of learning. Be brave. Speak anyway. English is a tool, a key. It helps you make friends. It helps you find opportunities. You are never alone in English. With English, you can join conversations, not just listen from the side. Say with me, I am learning. I am growing. I can keep going. Thank you for showing up today. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing. See you next time.